Hello guys, I am Privileged Cuber. Today I am going to show you how to solve a Rubik cube. Okay, I don't have a tutorial on my channel on how to solve a Rubik cube, but it's so simple to solve. In this video, I will show some instructions and I put 5 or 6 series on this so you can watch and learn it. We will see how to rotate the cube and finger tricks and learn about the cube in this video. Let's go. Hello guys, this is the Rubik cube. It has 6 sides and 6 colors. Okay, it has opposite colors: orange, red, blue, green, yellow, white. You should keep the cube always the white was facing down. Okay, this is the starting point of solving a Rubik cube. Okay, please putting the white and down. Okay, there are some pieces. This piece called centerpiece. Okay, it has only one color. The center pieces are always have only one color. Okay, these centerpiece and these pieces are called edge pieces. They are two color. Okay, edge pieces always have two color on the corner. Okay, the corner has three color. Okay, yes, these are the basic instructions for solving a cube. Okay, and let's get to rotations. Okay guys, and the rotations are: place the white down and follow me. Okay, it has all rotations as clockwise and anti-clockwise. And on right, if you turn right side clockwise, these rotations are called R. Turning right clockwise, just one turn, not this or this, only one turn is called R. Clockwise is called R, and the anti-clockwise is all called R prime. It's signed as R and a apostrophe on R. Okay, these are called R primes. You should read it as R prime. And L. In L, the clockwise is called L and the anti-clockwise are called L prime. Then we move on to front. The R stands for right and L stands for left, and the front is F. Clockwise is called F and anti-clockwise is called F prime. And the main move is U. Up. U stands for up. This is U and this is U prime. Clockwise is called U and anti-clockwise is called U prime. You want to turn back and D. D. The clockwise is called D and the anti-clockwise is called D prime. And the B is not you are going to use. It's only come with advanced solving method like CFOP. I guess you are not going to use B, but you can learn it. This is B and this is B prime. Hey guys, in my next video I am going to show how to solve the first layer. Okay guys, this is the first step. Let's Please go subscribe to my channel and see the procedures for solving a Rubik cube. They are so easy, they are not tough as you think. So guys, let's see on my next video. Bye.